Hello, dear watchers, and welcome. Today we are stepping outside of our familiar universe and venturing into the great cosmic unknown. This is the frontier of thought, the edge of what we know, and it asks of us a simple yet profound question. Have you ever looked at the night sky, at the infinite expanse of stars and galaxies, and wondered if there could be more galaxies, more stars, more worlds teeming with life? We're about to explore a subject that would feel at home in the world of science fiction, yet it has become a serious topic of discussion in scientific circles. It's a concept that is both mesmerizing and terrifying in equal measure. Today, we are pondering the possibility of other realities, other universes like ours, and perhaps not quite like ours, existing in tandem with ours. Imagine the implications. Are there other versions of you out there? Are there other Earths, other galaxies, different laws of physics? Could there be worlds where the impossible here is possible there? And if there are, how many could there be? A handful? Hundreds? Infinite? These are the questions that the multiverse theory dares to ask. Part 1. What is the multiverse? You might have heard of it. The term multiverse, flung around in sci-fi classics or discussed in hushed tones by physicists. But what does it mean? Simply put, the multiverse theory is a proposition that our universe, the unimaginable vast cosmos we inhabit, is not alone, but one among potentially infinite universes. Infinity is a concept difficult to wrap our heads around, but imagine this: everything that exists, every particle, every moment in time, every rule that governs them could just be a minuscule part of a much grander and more complex ensemble. In other words, the multiverse theory suggests that there could be an alternate reality where you are the president or a rock star or an astronaut. The mind boggles at the possibility. It opens up a Pandora's box of questions, of wonderment, and, yes, of uncertainty. But how can this be possible? Part 2. A multitude of multiverses. The multiverse is not a monolith. It's a compound of numerous possibilities, each bearing its unique characteristics and principles. To start, we have the level I multiverse, also known as the quilted multiverse. In this model, the universe extends indefinitely, permitting every possible configuration of matter and energy to occur given enough space and time. Moving on, there's the level II, or inflationary multiverse, that talks about a cosmic terrain, an eternal landscape that perpetually gives birth to new universes. Up next is level III, the many worlds multiverse, which takes us deep into the quantum realm. Here, each random event, each choice, can lead to the creation of a new universe. And finally, there's the level IV, or ultimate multiverse, that speculates that every mathematically describable universe could exist in reality. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? Part 3. Is there any evidence? With such fantastic speculation, one might ask, where's the evidence? While we cannot currently pack up and voyage to another universe, some phenomena hint towards their existence. Fine-tuning, or the Goldilocks principle of our universe, allowing life to exist, the quirks of quantum mechanics, cosmic inflation. These are areas where multiverse theories find some footing. But we should tread with caution. While they are fascinating and open up thrilling possibilities, they still reside within the realms of theoretical physics and philosophy, not within the purview of empirically proven fact. Part 4. What does it mean for us? If the multiverse is a reality where infinite universes coexist, each with their versions of reality and laws of physics, where does it leave us? Is our existence special, or is it just one of an infinite number of dice rolls? Can we ever hope to interact with these universes, or will they remain forever shrouded from us? And if indeed the multiverse exists, how would that change our search for a unifying theory of everything? Will we have to reassess our position within this grand cosmic design? To Part 5, the power of the unknown. The multiverse idea embodies the beauty of scientific pursuit. It's a testament to how far we've come in our understanding of the cosmos, yet it also underscores how much more there is to explore. In many ways, it captures the essence of why we look up at the stars and dream. The thought of infinite universes, each with potentially different physical laws, is mind-boggling. It's like a cosmic lottery. Any reality you can imagine could exist somewhere in some form. Despite the intrigue, the multiverse theory is controversial, largely because it can't currently be tested directly. Some scientists argue that since it cannot be proven or disproven, it's more of a philosophical question than a scientific one. Critics argue that the multiverse theory is a way to bypass important scientific questions. If anything is possible somewhere, does it even make sense to ask why our universe is the way it is? Yet, even in its ambiguity, the concept of the multiverse can push us to ask bigger, more profound questions. For instance, if multiverses exist, does each one have its own Big Bang? Does time flow differently in them? If we did manage to prove their existence, would it change our perspective on life and our place in the cosmos? Per Part 6, Pulling It Together. The multiverse theory may be unproven, but it's a fascinating concept that stretches our imaginations and encourages us to think bigger. There's something incredibly humbling about the idea that our universe, with all its galaxies, stars and planets, could be just a tiny slice of a much grander cosmic picture. We might be just one of infinite stories playing out in an ever-expanding cosmic library. In conclusion, whether we are part of a single universe or one of countless ones, the fact remains that the universe we inhabit is a truly remarkable place. The existence of other universes doesn't detract from the wonder of our own. Instead, it adds to the grandeur of what might be out there. It's a reminder that we are part of something bigger, something that stretches far beyond what we can currently comprehend. And as we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and explore the cosmos, who knows what else we'll discover? This has been quite a journey, hasn't it? A trip not only through space, but also through the fascinating corridors of theoretical physics. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the concept of multiverses. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations into the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching, and remember, no matter how many universes there may be out there, there's no place quite like our home universe. It truly is the best of all possible worlds.